Good job by Sekera to keep it in. But now it is muscled out by Martinson, who'll get it to MacKinnon. And he is hammered by Benning.
Big hit. And here, look out, here comes some...
Colborne after Benning.
And now, here's going to be an interesting call. Will the referee call this what he should call 2 minutes for instigating? Colborne came right off the bench and a perfectly clean hit on Nathan MacKinnon. And Colborne comes on the ice and jumps Matt Benning. The referee should be calling an instigator here, and the Oilers should stay on the power play. There's nothing wrong with this play by Matt Benning. Bang, solid, perfect. That's what the hockey is all about. You're allowed to make those hits. Colborne jumps on the ice, and he goes after Matt Benning. Now, it doesn't have to be a fight. It's got to be an altercation. Here's the hit again. Perfect. Bang. Good hit. Nothing wrong with that. Cut to the middle, you're going to get hit. And Colborne comes after Benning, but in hockey, that perfect hit, that hit in the neutral zone, when a player comes across with his head down, with a shoulder hit, why does that have to be defended with a fight?